Second to last day, all packed up, ready to go to, hopefully, Leavenworth, Washington. That nice little Bavarian city. Lovely day. It's probably about 5 or 6 degrees. No, it's not yet. I haven't turned it on yet. What's the temperature today?
8 degrees already.
Oh, 8 degrees. That's a lot better than the last couple of mornings, where it was right around 0 and a little too chilly. So we will pick this up on the road. This is the kind of morning we want. One that's not freezing. The visor's so clean too. Nice. Oh, lovely. Yeah, that would be fun in a raft. Watch a rock right on the edge. And that's from the start of that town that we were at. 174 kilometers from Lolo. Of this kind of stuff. 107. Oh, yeah. Oh, here's some old trucks for you. You might want to stop in there. Look at them all. We can get in here. Steve spotted some trucks. Ooh, cigarette boat, or whatever you call those. That's the same thing that we ran into along... They're all the same, aren't they? These are all Chevys down here. Oh, that's the one you want right there. This one right here looks in just the right kind of condition. Needs a box though. Would you do a flat by? Maybe we should leave a note in somebody's mailbox. This one's a little too far gone. Oh, look. What is that? That's a... looks like the... Oh, who's that couple? A Bonnie and Clyde vehicle with all the windows shot out. Not quite as bad as Bonnie and Clyde. I have no idea. Doesn't look like there's going to be a gas station, does it? Oh, well, there's your road for the other side, so. Oh no, there's a gas station right there. Whether it's open or not is anybody's guess, but... This has got to be like one of the best roads in frickin' North America for a motorbike. For scenery and fun and nice pavement and all the things you need for a road. For distance. You know, there's probably better roads, but they're definitely not as long. Kilometers of this. A mostly perfect road until you get behind a truck. You could probably call that the unofficial end of the Funness Road. No more fun. We're still on the river, but it's definitely not like the windy stuff we've been on. So that was it. So how many kilometers was that? Oh, geez. Pushing 300 kilometers of nothing but fun. Yeah, let's go around. Welcome to Lewiston, Idaho. In fact, I thought it was dock, but it's actually, it's moving. So we're just leaving Lewiston and Clarkston. I'm only doing it. That looks very cool. That's very cool. I've never seen a riverboat before. There we go. Yeah, not just parked on the side as a tourist attraction. It's a nice boat too. That is in nice condition. Wonder how far he goes. It's got the fake paddle wheel at the back, but it's real, but it's not doing anything. Oh, it's doing very little. It's not paddling the whole thing. Now you can see the weight coming from underneath the boat. No, it's working, just not doing, probably doing about 5% of the work. Not spinning anywhere near it. Carving our way through the rolling hills. Ooh, I like this sign. Motorcycle's favorite sign. Twisty, twisty. Well, we're going to go by this guy like he's standing still. Oh, and I get to continue leaving right over Tarsney. back of that ring. That came up pretty quick. You catch him real quick when he's doing that speed. Oh, here's popping. Big time. Pomeroy, Idaho. Looks old. I don't know. We've gone through Starbucks, yes. Remember you said. But it's a narrow little bridge. Watch the motorcycle. Wish it wasn't so skinny. I'd take a look a little longer, but Lions Ferry State Park. What a great little, can't camp, but nice little park. Oh, that looks neat. Do you want to stop at the top of this one? Looks like a mini Grand Canyon. Yeah, I can't really turn my head too much. Oh, look at that view. That's cool. That is neat. Stand up and take it. What's over the edge there? That is so cool looking. Other than that one back there. Use my card. Yeah, use my card this time. The little town of Quincy. Ooh, very big fire department. What's the temperature? 29 degrees. We are in orchard country, aren't we? Look at the rose. It looks cool when you look to the one side and you just see the rose pass. Look all the way down the rose. It'd be neat if we were just a little higher. Look over it. Please be an open view. Oh, cool. Tell me if I veer off to one side. Look at that view. Spectacular. Hard to look out of the corner of your eye, seeing where you're going for very long. Gives you a headache. He agrees. Good thing we're doing this speed. What dam is this? Oh yeah, so last when we came down, we were, I remember now. Can't remember the dam, what it's called. Oh, that's neat. So at least we know we're taking a different route. We were on that road over there before. Now we're on this road. We're mixing it up. Oh, slip it on the gravel. All right, next stop, Leavenworth. We're not going to Ellensburg. We're going to Leavenworth. Yeah, I don't trust that camper. I'll jump the crud on the road. Hell, I have no idea what that says on the back. Oh, there's nothing left to be desired. Nice truck. Yeah, maybe it's nicer on the inside. Green light, so I can't really just fucking. No, that's the city. The little town. The little town that could. I did, and I can't remember where it's like it's at a kilometer or something like that. Oh, well there you go. Breakfast tomorrow. Visitor center right there if you want to stop in. Nothing like a little late turn for me. Outskirts of Leavenworth looking for campground. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that looks cool. Wow, houses right down there with their decks almost on the river. Yeah, we're gonna have to get past all of this. Oh, look at down there, eh? That is too cool. Probably shouldn't be riding in the other lane, but gotta get a little closer to the edge. Oh, thank you. It's mighty good of you. Well, we're just off the road in behind Leavenworth, behind this big rock. Not really a campsite, but somebody was. And that's what we get to listen to and look at for the rest of the day. And it's free, even better. So we found a little campsite, free one. Now we're heading back to Leavenworth for a bite to eat. Now, is he going to wait for us? I sure hope so. Look at those mountains. Fantastic. What, does he want us to pull over? Is that a cop? Oh, is he saying that we can park there? Oh, he's not trying to... Thanks! Where are you? Where are you? No, I cannot see you. Oh, jeez, man. George!
Okay, we are just outside Leavenworth. We found this awesome little spot to camp. It's actually just right kind of off the road, because all the campsites are full. So there's this big rock here, and kind of just in behind the rock. And you can see this super raging river here coming out of the mountain. Well, there's our spot. There's the river, and these nice folks up here have their trailer. They've tucked in around the rock too. So we're camping here for the night. Look at that river move, just screaming past.
Alrighty, last morning of camping. It's been awesome and a great little spot. On our way now to the ferry back home to Vancouver Island. Yay, lucky us, we get to go back to work. One last little view. Lovely. One last ritual Egg McMuffin meal on our Sunday morning ride back home. The little Bavarian McDonald's in the Bavarian town of Leavenworth, Washington. And the bike is filthy. And that's cleaning it at every gas station. Couldn't imagine how bad it would be if I didn't clean it until the end. Oh, did they? What a cool little town. Yeah. That is pretty high flow. Nobody behind us. We can dawdle a bit if we see a nice place to take a picture. This is the start of Stevens Pass. You know, it doesn't feel like 14 degrees. Certainly doesn't look like it's 4. Well, it's 13 degrees. It doesn't feel like it's 13. No, it feels like it's more like 6 or 7. Are you sure your thing works properly? It is funny though. Right over the edge here. That's kind of a weird feeling, eh? Looking out over the edge there. Don't look over the edge; you'll go right for it. Look at the road. This would freak the wife out, wouldn't it? Right, a little closer to the edge and look. Rattle that off pretty quick. Long merge lane. How about the blue car right in the middle? Well, another trip comes to an end. It's been a fun one. We have to get on two separate ferries, two different ferries. And once again, we are faced with the what lane do I pick decision. How about we go to... Where's that guy going? Oh, that guy was going to take my lane. It's always like, where do I go? Oh, you're way back there. You're way back there. It's going to take me a while to... Hey, prism tube.
Yeah, I was just saying, is that Cena?
Yeah.
Yeah.